How to recover TikTok messages. Hello and welcome back to our channel, and in this video I will show you how you can easily recover deleted message on TikTok. So first of all, you have to head on to TikTok application on your mobile device and then click on your profile on the bottom right corner, and again you'll see three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap on it. Now tap on settings and privacy, and now you'll see account at the top. Tap on it. And then you'll find download your data. Tap on it. Now you can also choose your file format. I have selected text, and now simply click on request data. After you are done requesting your data, you have to wait for TikTok to approve your request. Then it will be sent it to your mailbox, and then from there you can view your deleted message from TikToks. Thank you all for watching it till the end, and stay tuned till our next upload.